And communication literacy, go, go, go. Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. In this video, we're going to look at some concepts for teachers taking the Communication Literacy MTEL 1 reading and writing exams. This is for you if you've been struggling with these exams. Use this content to help you get better at the test and pass. And if you like it, give it a big thumbs up. Read these real quick. 1, 2, 3, go. Question 4, literal comprehension. So we're going to be looking at information or events or info. So these are all ideas. And literal comprehension questions, the ideas are directly stated in the passage. They're in the passage. They're listed in the passage. They are presented in the passage, right? These ideas are either in the text or these are ideas that are strongly implied. Thumbs up. Question 4 almost always means you have to reread a paragraph. So they're taking a very close look at the paragraph. So question 4 would be something where you want to take a very close look and reread it. Can everyone write that down? So these are ideas that are in the passage or implied, and these are something that you're writing down as a strategy. You need to reread the paragraph. All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you need help on your communication literacy exams, whether it's reading or writing or both, check out a GOHacademy workshop at GOHacademy.com. I'm sure you'll find them very helpful. Everyone have a great day. Take care, team. Bye-bye.